PT Mora Telematika Indonesia melakukan kerjasama pengembangan infrastruktur sistem komunikasi kabel laut lintas Pasifik dengan Hawaii Key Submarine Cable Limited Partnership dari Selandia Baru. Rencana pembangunan ini dinilai akan menjadi peluang yang bagus ya bagi Indonesia karena untuk mendapatkan akses koneksi internasional yang lebih maksimal dari sebelumnya. PT Mora Telematika Indonesia, salah satu penyedia layanan internet di Indonesia, melakukan kerjasama pengembangan infrastruktur sistem komunikasi kabel laut lintas Pasifik dengan Hawaii Key Submarine Cable Limited Partnership, perusahaan dari Selandia Baru yang berpengalaman dalam mengelola kabel bawah laut.
So first of all, I want to ask you why Hawaii Key has selected Mora Telindo as their strategic partner.
Right, that's a very good question. Well, 3 years ago, we built a first cable called Hawaii Key and linking 3 countries, Australia, New Zealand, USA. Hawaii Key was 15,000 kilometers. It's already a large project. And now we've just announced Hawaii Key Nui, which is even bigger. 22,000 kilometers, linking this time 5 countries, Singapore, Indonesia, Australia, New Zealand, USA. So when you cross a country like Indonesia, of course, you want to try to find the best partner. But we were really looking at a very dynamic company, a company with a lot of experience in subsea cables, domestic networks, and Mora Telindo was definitely the right name. So that was my first choice and I was so happy.
Okay, great. And I'm so curious about why did you pull your submarine cable through Indonesia from New Zealand?
Right, so there's a very big potential in a few countries. And I mentioned the 5 countries, but each of them is really booming in terms of digital and traffic and international bandwidth. If we take the example of Indonesia, with a population of 270 million and a lot of people connected, more and more every day, asking for 3G, 4G, 5G, high-speed internet, there's a need for new submarine cable. Not only going to Singapore, but also going to Australia and USA. It's important for Indonesia to go both ways. It's also important to go north of Asia.
Okay, great. And next, what are the benefits of being partnered with Mora Telindo for Hawaii Key Submarine Cable Partnership?
The first one is definitely experience. So Mora Telindo has a very, very large experience. They know everything about subsea cables. They know about domestic cables. They know about internet. They know about data center. They know about network operation center. The team is absolutely excellent. You do have a fantastic leader. So really, it's exactly what we were looking for. Building this 22,000 project is going to be a real challenge. It's not so easy to lay such a subsea cable in the water. So we really want to partner with the best, and Mora Telindo is the best in Indonesia. For me, it makes absolutely sense, and I'm so happy again.
Okay, great.
Rencana pembangunan sistem komunikasi bawah laut lintas Pasifik ini akan menjadi peluang yang bagus untuk Indonesia mendapatkan akses koneksi internasional yang lebih maksimal dari sebelumnya. Proyek pembangunan sistem komunikasi kabel bawah laut yang disebut dengan proyek Hawaii Key Nui akan menghubungkan 5 negara, yaitu Amerika Serikat, Indonesia, Singapura, Australia, dan Selandia Baru.
So Moratel has agreed to partner with Hawaii Key on the project to be the local partner in Indonesia. So that means that we're going to be involved in getting the permits to run the cable system through Indonesian waters. We'll also be involved to do the landing stations and prepare the landing stations for the landing the cable. The cable landing is going to be in Jakarta, in Batam, and then through into Singapore as well. So we'll support in those areas. and in the future potentially we'll be supporting on the operations of the cable system inside Indonesian waters. So the actual Hawaii cable system is a carrier neutral cable system, which means it's open to any operators that want to use the system. I think that's very, very similar to the way that Moratel operates as well. So Moratel is fiercely independent. We work together with all the telcos in the country, all the ISPs in the country. So I think there's lots of synergies between the approach that Hawaii takes and the approach that Moratel takes. So I think coming to Moratelindo, being the largest independent fixed broadband provider in the country, makes a lot of sense because of the synergies that we have in that area. Well, I think it's great, to be honest. Now, as I mentioned, I think it's a really great opportunity for us to be able to work together on a cable system like this. It's going to be very, very interesting. How we actually develop that cable system through Indonesian waters as well is going to be really interesting for us as well. So it's a good opportunity to work on such a fantastic project, really.
Kedua perusahaan PT Moratel Mintika Indonesia dan Hawaii Submarine Cable Limited Partnership telah menandatangani kerjasama ini pada 2 November 2021 lalu. Merujuk pada dokumen kerjasama, pekerjaan konstruksi rencananya akan dimulai pada 2022. Dengan kabel siap pakai yang diharapkan terpasang pada 2025.